Hi, this is Jang. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share an exterior accessory for Cybertruck. I wanted to make my Cybertruck look a bit more sporty, so I was looking around for some accessories and EV Base sent me a spoiler. So today, I'm going to install it and share my first impressions. I'm already really happy with the Cybertruck's design as it is, but I thought it would be nice to give the tailgate area a sharper, sleeker look, which is why I decided to add a spoiler. The spoiler from EV Base comes in 4 different styles: matte black, glossy black, matte carbon fiber texture, and glossy carbon fiber texture. Out of these, I went with the glossy carbon fiber texture. For anyone who might be interested, I'll leave a purchase link and a discount code in the description below. The box arrives in this long shape, and inside, the spoiler is very well protected with foam and a plastic cover. When you open the box, there's a tutorial sheet inside. Scanning the QR code takes you to a YouTube video. It's not specifically a Cybertruck installation video, but I think they included it as a general reference for how to install a spoiler. There's also some extra thin double-sided tape included. Once you take off the plastic cover and foam, you finally get to the spoiler itself. Personally, I really like the design of this spoiler. It's not just a flat straight line, it has a bit of a split in the middle, and the angle isn't too aggressive, so I think it'll balance out nicely with the Cybertruck. Since it's not real carbon fiber, but rather plastic with a printed texture, it doesn't quite have that perfectly even continuous line that you get with real carbon. Flipping it over, you can see the double-sided tape is already pre-applied. You basically just peel and stick. All you have to do is align it properly right on top of the tailgate edge. When I installed a spoiler on a Model Y and Model 3 previously, it took some time because I had to get it perfectly centered. But with this one, you just align it flush with the edge of the tailgate, so the installation should be a lot faster and easier. Before we actually stick it on, the most important step is cleaning the surface so it adheres well. I thoroughly wipe down the top section using a mix of alcohol and water. If you have alcohol prep pads, you can definitely use those to clean the area where the tape will go. I'm not sure exactly how much this helps, but to improve the adhesion, I applied a little bit of adhesion promoter to the surface. Now that prep is all done, I'll carefully flip the spoiler over and peel off all the backing from the double-sided tape. It would definitely be easier with 2 people, but even doing it alone, I just aligned one corner first, gently placed it down, and made some minor adjustments. Once it was positioned perfectly, I pressed down firmly from top to bottom to make sure the tape stuck securely to the surface. Looks like it's attached perfectly along the line. I opened and closed the tailgate a few times, and it worked smoothly without catching on anything. My Cybertruck is wrapped in black glossy PPF, so even with the spoiler on, it doesn't stand out too crazy or look over the top. Since I also have a rooftop tent installed, I doubt this spoiler is going to give me any dramatic aerodynamic benefits. It's pretty much purely an accessory for aesthetics. I'll keep an eye on it over time to see if the color fades or if it starts peeling off, and I'll give you guys an update later down the road. And to let the double-sided tape fully cure, I added some masking tape to hold it down tightly and plan to leave it like this for about a day. I took off the tape next day and even took it for a drive on the highway. It's holding up great and feels very sturdy. It's not too flashy and blends really well with the Cybertruck's natural body lines, so I think it's a pretty solid accessory. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See ya!